Hello, welcome to the session on the procedure of conditioning and deep conditioning. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to prepare the client for conditioning and deep conditioning, carry out the procedures of conditioning and deep conditioning. The materials required for conditioning and deep conditioning are cotton, as per need, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, towels as per need, salon sink. Let's begin with the procedure to apply conditioner and deep conditioner. First, wash and shampoo the hair in shower. After the shampooing procedure is completed, use the right amount of conditioner recommended on the bottle, which is usually about the size of a 1 rupee coin. After taking the desired quantity of conditioner, rub both palms to emulsify the conditioner into a smooth foam. Now, spread it evenly on the wet hair till the ends of the hair. The conditioner helps restore moisture, leaving the hair feeling softer, smoother, and more manageable. In order to hydrate the hair properly, distribute the conditioner uniformly throughout the hair strands. For long hair, spread it from chin level and down. Don't apply conditioner to the scalp. Then run your fingers or a wide tooth comb through the ends of the hair to work in the conditioner. Let it stay on the hair for about 5 minutes or follow the instructions on the label. A pro tip is to cover the hair with a shower cap for maximum absorption. Now, thoroughly rinse off the conditioner. Next, let's look at to use a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are designed to provide long-lasting moisture and hydration to the hair. They can be applied after shampooing and conditioning to help lock in moisture and prevent dryness, especially for those with dry or damaged hair. Gently towel dry the hair to remove excess water after shower. The hair should be damp but not dripping wet. Make sure to use a suitable leave-in conditioner that suits the client's hair type and concerns. Depending on the length and thickness of the client's hair, dispense a small amount of leave-in conditioner into your palm. Rub your palms together to distribute the leave-in conditioner evenly on your palms. This ensures that it is evenly applied to the client's hair. Apply the leave-in conditioner to the hair starting from the mid-lengths to the ends. Avoid applying it directly to the scalp to prevent weighing down the roots. Use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to evenly distribute the conditioner throughout the hair. Let the hair air dry or use heat styling tools if needed based on client preference. Finally, style the hair as desired by the client. The leave-in conditioner will provide a protective barrier and keep the hair moisturized throughout the styling process. Now, let's see how to use the deep conditioner. Deep conditioners are formulated with rich concentrated ingredients that deeply penetrate the hair shaft, providing intense moisture and hydration. They help restore moisture balance, fight dryness, and make the hair softer, smoother, and more manageable. It's important to note that deep conditioners are typically used once a week or as needed, depending on the hair's condition. To effectively apply a deep conditioner to client's hair, follow these steps. Ensure the hair should be damp but not dripping wet. Excess water can dilute the deep conditioner and reduce its effectiveness. Begin by sectioning the hair. Take a generous amount of deep conditioner and apply it to one section of the hair at a time. Start from the mid-lengths and work your way down to the ends. Use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to gently massage the deep conditioner into the hair. Leave it on for the amount of time specified on the product label. This is usually from 10 to 30 minutes depending on the level of conditioning that is needed for the hair. Here's a pro tip for deeper penetration of the conditioner. Cover the hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a warm towel. The heat will help open up the hair cuticles, allowing the deep conditioner to penetrate more effectively. Leave it on for the desired duration. After this, rinse the conditioner thoroughly using cool or lukewarm water. While choosing a conditioner, consider the hair type and the styling routine. Different hair textures will need different ingredients for its best treatment and getting the desired results. And if hair is blow-dried every day or colored often, it will need extra moisture as it tends to become dry and coarse. If the hair has been bleached, colored, or permed, it will have extra wear and tear. So, use shampoo and conditioner which are made for colored or chemically treated hair. You can also recommend the suitable product to the clients. Some people have thicker hair shafts than others. For such hair types, choose a stronger conditioner that would heal better and protect the hair. Generally, curly hair tends to be dry and frizzy. So, pay extra care while spreading conditioner by evenly spreading over the head. Let's recap the key points discussed. Apply conditioner only on the hair. Use fingers or a wide tooth comb to distribute the conditioner evenly through the ends of the hair. Different hair textures will need different ingredients for its best treatment and getting the desired results. For deeper penetration of the conditioner, cover the hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a warm towel. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about the procedure of conditioning and deep conditioning the hair. See you in the next session.